Choose your fighter.
What's going on, Dog gang? Okay, so I'm about to try to start uploading some nail videos for y'all. Quick disclaimer, this is one of my nail clients. I had already done her nails like a couple weeks ago. She's had these nails on for almost a month now, and she came in originally for a nail replacement, but she needed a fill also. So you guys are gonna be watching me do a fill-in, and I'm gonna be replacing 3 nails. The disclaimer is I was a little tired this morning, so I wasn't like completely on my A game. So in this video, I'm gonna kind of be showing y'all how it is possible for you to mess up on something, but it's okay because even professionals do it. When you go to the Chinese nail shop, they messed up on your nails, or you know, people who've been in the nail business for a long time, they might mess up, but it's okay. Whatever you do, you just keep working. How I ended up messing up was, first of all, her color acrylic. Usually when you're dealing with color acrylic, it's typically thick, and she likes her nails really thick, so I try to do them as thick as possible without making them like over bulky. First things first, I don't have the proper AC flow inside of my unit, so temperature does matter when it comes to doing your nails, because it's either going to make your acrylic dry up faster or dry up slow. So temperature does matter. So my temperature climate is not right. And another thing was, on her pointer fingers, I ended up putting like a smaller nail. It fit, but it was like smaller in length. So by the time I got done, some of her nails were like, her original nails were way longer than her 2 pointer fingers. It's probably because I didn't add like a whole bunch of acrylic to it as well. But to keep a happy client, I definitely didn't charge her for the nail replacements. I only charged her for the color acrylic fill-in. Now that is how you keep your clients coming back to you. Anyways, I'm gonna probably fast forward some of this video because it's super long, and I wish I could let y'all hear the sound, but I don't want to get demonetized because there was a lot of music playing in the background, because I am at my shop right now, and we was also having, you know, conversation and stuff. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch this video, and yeah, I'm just going ahead and play some friendly music in the back. Oh wait, before I go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this channel, and make sure you follow me on my personal and my business Instagram page. For all of my nail techs out there, I will be having something coming for y'all very soon. For my lash techs, for any like business related, I got a lot of stuff coming for y'all. I don't know when I'm gonna exactly tell everybody, but I got some stuff coming, so be on the lookout and continue to watch this video. Okay, so I wanted to slow this down a little bit right here to show you guys something. So the tip of her nail had actually came off on this nail prior to her coming. So instead of me replacing this full nail, she still wanted to get it filled. So I used the nail form to add acrylic to the tip. So now I'm shaping it. Afterwards I did end up cutting it down a little bit, and it ended up looking really good. It looked like her tip had never even fell off. I don't think I was able to get that towards the end of the video because my camera had died right before she was coming from out of the nail lamp, but make sure you guys pay attention to that part. But you can fix nails with nail forms.
Choose your fighter.
Lakey inspired. Fight.